I think the number one is by far communication and people management skills. For any job that you do, especially if you're talking about a post MBA job, the fact is that your job in any, be it product management, be it finance, be it marketing, be it growth, any field that you're working in, you would have a team through which you have to get a job done, right? You would not be doing everything on your own, and you have to manage a team and get it done. And getting things done from people is way more difficult than most MBA graduates believe it to be. The fact is, it doesn't work like that. You tell somebody, leave a mail, and they will do the work for you. That's not going to happen, especially in startups where everybody is overworked. People have a lot of chaos, and there are no systems in place, right? It's not like everybody's job description is very clear. Everybody has clear goals to achieve. That is not the case. Everything is changing month on month. The company's goals, many a times we see the company's business model by themselves change. So the number one thing is that you have to have good communication and interpersonal skills. The number two thing I'll say is that you need to have strong technical skills in terms of at least the basics for data management. So I see a lot of fresh MBA graduates who are not even proficient at Microsoft Excel, which is a sad reality that we see even in tier 1 Bs. So Microsoft Excel proficiency is a must. You need to have data management skills with at least, I'll say, basics with R, Python, SQL, Power BI. These tools have become the industry standard. Right? You need, even if you're not an expert with them, you need to have data management, data crunching skills, because that's what you would be expected as an MBA graduate. That you are able to make decisions based on data and not what you dreamt out of your bed last night. So that is something very, very important. And the third and most important skill I'd say that most students lack or most fresh graduates lack is patience. When you're working with people, when you're working with high growth startups, you need to be very, very patient and very tolerant, because a lot of impact that you will see will not be as fast as you expect it to be. A lot of team work results in a lot of conflicts and a lot of disagreements. So you have to be extremely patient and tolerant of how to deal with adverse situations and how to deal with people who don't agree with you. If you can do all these things very well, I think it's very easy to grow very fast in a startup.